Good afternoon. I'm Laura Williams, and today I'm going to demonstrate some basic ways you can use Smartboard technology to enhance a lesson, to make things easier for the teacher to present the material or for the students to understand. With the Smartboard, this is connected to files I already have open on my computer, but I can control it up here at the board. I'm going to use my stylus or my pen tool, and for an example, I'm going to open up a new document, and we're going to go over some drawing techniques with my kindergarten students. Grab my pen tool. This is an example of what they have on their own personal worksheets. This week we are learning the letter B. I can draw an example of the letter on the board as I talk them through how to do it, and then it just serves as a big example for them to be able to look at while they work on it individually, and then it allows me to be able to go around the room to help them. Another way you can use Smartboard technology is to use prefabricated ones. Let me erase this, my letter B. Now with this, the same technique, and we want to circle the prefixes as I go along with it with my students. That pen's a little too big. Let's see. Let's erase that. And let's pick a brighter color.
Too big.
Let me get my pencil, a little bit of trial and error. And you are able to circle the correct answers. This way it leaves little room for error as you go over it with your students, and they're able to clearly see what the correct answer should be. I just want to erase this real quick. There we go. One more example of how I would use Smartboard technology is with worksheets that I've made up myself. Here's an example of what my kindergarten students would see on their assessment test. We've been studying day and night, and as we go through the problems, they are going to circle whether an object represents the daytime or the nighttime. Now, I only want to go through the problems one at a time, so I've got my own master list, and with this, I'm able to go through the problems one by one and control it. Lunch, is it in the daytime or the nighttime? And we just scroll through the problems, and when I'm ready to go over the correct answers with the class, I'm able to go back to an example of their worksheet and circle the correct answers with them. This way they are able to see exactly what their own personal worksheets should look like. There are lots of different features available with Smartboards. I've only had time to cover a few basics today, but I encourage you to explore, experiment, work with different things, and I guarantee you're going to find ways to make teaching easier and fun. Thank you.